Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by determining if you can legally use the clip. First, identify the copyright holder and the license terms, Creative Commons versus Standard, exclusive versus non-exclusive. Next, check permissions for duration, territory, and platform. Write them down. Once done, decide your use case. Are you transforming the work, reacting, or reposting unchanged? That choice governs what follows. Make sure to capture contact info for the rights owner now, because you'll need it for a license request or attribution step. You now secure permission or build a safe harbor approach. Draft a concise license request that states your exact use, clip length, TikTok as the platform, and start/end dates. Send it to the rights owner. Offer terms, credit, revenue split, a one-time fee or permission to edit, and negotiate until both agree. Once settled, get written confirmation, an email, signed contract, or documented message thread. Save that proof. It's your defense if a takedown or dispute arises later. You're ready to publish and protect your post. Upload the video with clear on-screen credit and include license details in the caption so reviewers see authorization. Make the clip transformative when possible. Add commentary, remix audio, or visual overlays to strengthen fair use arguments. If TikTok flags or removes it, act quickly. Submit your written permission and contract in the dispute form, or take down the video and renegotiate terms. As a troubleshooting tip, keep originals, timestamps, and all correspondence handy for appeals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.